what's going on?
All right, so my assistant will go ahead and take your bag. We like to put everything in the back, okay?
Sounds good.
So we're gonna do highlights. I'm gonna go mix up and I'll be right back, okay?
Perfect, can't wait.
Cool. Oh, we got his keys to the Tesla. Let's go. Hurry!
Why are you running? Why are you running?
Bye, have a great time.
All right, I'll look down for me. Equal voice beat, and then spin it around. Let's do some highlights.
Yeah.
What's up, guys? My name's 𝗧𝗢𝗡 𝗛𝗛. I own Tone Hair Salon in Raleigh, North Carolina, and today I'm going to color John B's hair.
John B?
John B.
Who's John B?
Shoot, Carter!
Why does everyone keep thinking I'm John B?
Carter's hair. I'm super excited. So let's do the consultation. Your hair is virgin. There is no color on here now.
Yeah.
What kind of highlights? What are you thinking? What's your jam?
Well, I have a lot of hair to work with, and I'm trying to do a transformation here. I want to look better, cleaner, and I want to go a bit lighter, but I want to keep it all super natural.
Okay. And do you have some pictures for me?
Yeah, I do. I found a couple inspo pics. I love the length and color of this picture.
Okay.
So it's a similar style, but it's a lot shorter hair.
Yeah. All right.
Do you think you could do something like that?
Yeah, I could definitely do. You want to show them what it looks like?
Yeah. Which camera? This one. Okay.
Just to give you an idea, what do you think about this color blonde in there? Not as chunky, but just like, can you see that?
Well, when you spread it out, it looks like it blended more correctly.
It'll be definitely blended.
Yeah.
But I'm just kind of like looking at the blonde. So this is like more of like a warm blonde with like a little bit of cooler on the ends.
I almost feel like it might be too much, particularly when it is clumped together.
Kind of like look at something like that one's just too dark.
I think too dark, yeah.
But I'm thinking more on like the warmer side of things. And I know you probably don't know what that really means, but basically it's going to be very blended. You're going to be able to see it, but it's more of like a sun-kissed look.
That's a good one, whatever that last one was.
Perfect. Versus like this like really like ashy, almost white blonde.
Yeah, I think that might be too dramatic.
Okay, cool. Well, the first thing we're going to do is wash your hair because I do like to use like a really nice clean canvas. And then we're going to do a quick dry. And we're going to get started with his... Actually, Becca, can you go ahead and wash John B?
What?
I mean Carter.
It's Carter. It's Carter.
Check on you in a little bit, okay, John B?
Sounds great. Wait, what? It's Carter.
Carter.
Finest sheets. Your lips so white I thought they'd be. Oh, I'm dreaming but I'm not asleep. It's you and me up in a tree, yeah. I'll do whatever you want. It's on the tip of your tongue.
All right, so it's wet, but We can see some color in there. You see that? So it's gonna look very like natural, not chunky. Highlights in just the right places.
Perfect.
And Karina is gonna cut you because I'm not good at shortcuts. All right, guys. So I've got him nice and highlighted. Look at those beautiful highlights. No toner at all. Is this John B?
Yeah,
Oh my God, can I have your autograph? I'm such a fan. Oh my God. I love your show.
Thank you.
I really do. Oh my God. What are you doing in Raleigh?
Just, 𝗵𝗔𝒂𝒍𝒊𝒔𝒕 is not too far away, so.
Really? Oh my gosh. I'm so jealous.
So it is John B.
I love these.
Uh-oh, see the fireplace is good to go. Uh-oh, hear the love songs on the radio. Uh-oh, all I wanted was to take you home, 'cause we gotta kill the vibe, yeah. I'll do whatever you want. It's all good to pull you down. I might not give you my heart, but you get out the rest of me. I don't think twice, baby, sit tight, 'cause we gotta kill the vibe. Don't be shy, stay the whole night, 'cause we gotta kill the vibe, yeah. Uh-oh, see the fireplace is good to go. Uh-oh, hear the love songs on the radio. Uh-oh, all I wanted was to take you.
All right, guys. Carter is all done, and I did his color,
And I just cut.
yes, and I think we're the perfect combo. We did it. You want to do a little spin around for us, Carter?
Yeah.
Another one. Yeah.
It's giving you a star.
Sorry, yeah.
Is it exactly what you're looking for?
It's exactly what I'm looking for, yeah.
Awesome. We didn't have to use any toner. We just did highlights. So his hair is going to stay nice and bright for the summer. And if you want to darken it at all, you can come back in and we'll just do a toner. Or if you want more highlights, we can do more highlights. Whatever you want. It's going to grow out nice though, like very natural looking.
Perfect. Thank you guys so much.
All right, you're welcome. All right, guys, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And follow us on TikTok, Instagram. Make sure to follow Carter. He's got 10 million followers, but he needs some more anyway. Everybody needs more followers. All right. Bye, y'all.
I don't think twice.